FellowShip. Come on, I'm a DJ delegate. You can join my fellowship. All you gotta do is sign up. DJ delegate, won't you come along? You can join my fellowship.
I can do it. About to move in price. Just depends on what we talking about. Like,
keep fucking quiet.
my opinion is like strong if I believe that shit. I gotta really believe that shit, and then that's when I can stand firm on it, cause I'm with it. You know what I'm saying? That's when I need that shit. You know what I'm saying? So it's not even
what you will find.
Doing.
If you out there, let me get off out
Yeah, don't stop that vibe.
I'm so elegant.
Hey,
Don't ask me why, cause it's so irrelevant. I've been so chillin' on it ever since. And it seems that it's fucking evident that I'm the realest that you ever heard. With the pronouns, the verbs, and I still swerve. In the coupe with the shorty, on the passenger side. You know what the fuck it is. We back to my crib, handling the biz. You motherfuckers can't fuck with the whiz. I'm still on top, and I won't drop, and it don't stop until the dough drop. And then I'm back to the hood getting the money. You motherfuckers looking funny. You motherfuckers looking bummy. You my father, son. Listen, I'm the nigga that keep it real. You know the deal when the motherfucking blood spill. You know the shy don't fucking play around. You get caught slipping, your ass will be laid down. You know.
the return of the 90s shit. Nigga, we in a fucking matrix. Either way it go, we can return where we face 6. All we gotta do is go ahead and set the date shit. And go back like Marty McFly shit or Marty McCabe shit. Put it together, Marty McMotherfucking G shit. Ain't nothing but a G thing. Niggas looking motherfuckers insane. Bitch getting hung up by a fucking G string. Man, I don't like that kind of shit. When motherfuckers say we ain't the type of niggas that gon' do that shit. You know, we the ones that always doing things that the far ways. Niggas see us in the pissiest hallways. On them all Dre's. Hey, you know how it be. Touche. Everything I say.
Hey, I'm gonna need everybody to jump in, literally. Everybody jump in. I need you to just walk in the camera.
What up?
We got the crew out here. We got 20-year, 30-year people that we ain't seen in years. You know, we just out here vibing, just, doing our own thing. Everybody doing their own thing, you know. But you see it, like
Snafu, Dingbats, the Enforcer, Chief of Security, Julia Walker. Y'all know what it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What y'all want to do?
No, 60.
Whoever wants it. Let's bring it to us.
Rest in peace, Big. Rest in peace, Dave, man. Indiana, man. Dingbats, Snafu, man. Straight up.
Big old eyes.
Snafu in the
Big old eyes. Forget about the big old eyes.
Niggas always fucked up.
Forget about the big old eyes. I'm still insane, nigga.
Rest in peace to the guys, man.
Yes, sir.
need some help, nigga.
Everything, you know, one of them hitters, fucking with this goof ass nigga Ant. He done invited me to his place. This is my
This
first
shit get
time
edited,
being
ain't it?
here.
It's getting edited,
And
ain't
he
it?
treated me like shit.
He gonna
Lame
So
ass nigga.
fuck
He
you.
gonna edit this shit.
Lame man, nigga.
I love you, and your studio is nice, and I'll be back for sure.
Hey.
Man, I can't imagine. Like, ain't no other real 30 years. 30 years. 30 motherfucking years.
Man, I miss y'all.
Stop fucking playing. We ain't no motherfucking gang or squad. We're a fucking family.
It's been 30 years.
Straight up. We're a fucking family. Yeah,
Good with that freestyle.
coldest nigga ever. Swear to God, chop heads off, nigga. I'm clever. Get it? Chop heads off like a clever. Niggas don't understand this motherfucking level of this. Ooh, you know what about it, your boy? I'm technically the coldest nigga that you seen before. JR.com in Indiana. Talking crazy. Jewel, bandana, scab. Niggas trying to get this fucking cash. Up thing glad, bitch, we on your fucking ass. I'm a BD. Nah, you don't wanna see me. I grant wishes like a motherfucking genie. Swear to God, nigga, you better fucking pause though. Swear to God, I hit you with this motherfucking loan folk. This motherfucking loan note. Call it 33, cause it's pippin', and your ass was asleep. Yeah, you was slipping. I'm dipping in the gangway. Dipping through the alley, old school. Fucking lottos and the fucking valleys. And a feel I fucking sweatsuit. Swear to God, nigga, he's gonna catch you.
When I'm driving in the car, going through the south side, I ain't gotta go far. I'm looking for a nigga talking, I'm hit this nigga with the 12 gauge like, bah, bah.
Pussy nigga, now you falling.
Who's next on the shit? Who's next on the track? Hold up. Come with that. I need you to rock this shit up like you done it with that.
Yo, I'm done with that. I run with that. I have fun with that. You know a nigga none with that. That mean I ain't had sex cause I'm none with that. That mean I ain't had none.
None with that.